Guys, and welcome to another video. In this video it is going to be me showing you how I make this custom set that I am making for a friend of mine. She asked me to come up with a galaxy theme, and I've been having a bit of a mess around, and I think I've come up with something that will hopefully look really cool and that she will love. Just to let you know now, this is going to be a shameless plug of I have just started an Etsy shop where I sell handmade press-on nails. I think I'm up to about 40 different designs on there at the moment. I am trying to upload at least 2 new designs a week. Yeah, I still don't have any sales. Sad face. Yeah, so if you like my sets and you would like a set, my link to my shop and everything will be down in the description below. So we're just going to get into it. Obviously I've already confirmed her sizes in full cover tips, and she wanted medium coffin, so that is what we are going to do. And the first thing we are going to do on all of the nails is I'm going to go in with this amazing deep blue. It's called Winter Garden from Britpop. And yeah, so I am just going to paint these. I will fast forward it, obviously, for you guys, so you are not spending, half an hour just watching me paint some nails blue. Okay, so we have our blue on our tips. Like I said, it's a really nice pretty blue. Now we're going to go in with some cat eyes, and we have this really nice blue. There we go. I was going to say if my camera wants to focus. And we have this one, which is like a pinky colour, and then this one as well, but this actually shifts colour between pink and blue, so it's kind of like a medium between the others. And I've got my things here. Now I'm not going to be doing like the exact same thing on each of the nails because I want each of them to kind of look a bit different. And on this hand isn't going to have any, this nail I should say, isn't going to have any kind of cat eye. So so here we have with the cat eyes on. Ignore the fingerprints, it's because I like to use my fingers for the blending. So as you can see by here, we have a circle void, and we've got the blue into the pink, and then the pink back into blue on that one. And then we've got a void in the centre, pink, a void in the corner there, a little gap there, and a line there. So now this is the bit that I may have to try and do a couple of times. So we are going to take the thumb, the one that has this void bit by here, and we are going to do a planet. So make sure I'm actually in frame. So here are what the nails are looking like. We have added our planets and the moons. Now the next thing is to add the stars. So first I'm going to add in like some bigger stars, and then we will go in and add the little incy bincy teeny weeny stars. So this is what we are looking like now, with all the moons, planets and stars hand painted on. Just to let you guys know, I've been doing this for over an hour now, but I think it is starting to look really, really good. So because now we're going to sort of get on to adding the final details, I can't find my rhinestone glue. It's a big black tub. Well, not a black tub, like a black tube. But my dog is forever knocking stuff off. There it is. As I said, no, Bear. As I said, my dog is forever knocking stuff off. So what I do, because until I actually place them on, I'm not exactly like sure what I do, like how I'm going to place them on or how many. What I do is I put a line of the rhinestone glue going down the centre of every nail like that. Then I take a disposable brush. These are just disposable lipstick brushes, and I just gently work my way, spreading that rhinestone glue all over the nail, because I find this way, by doing it, it still sticks a lot better than using like base coat or something like that to stick them down. And because your thinning it out when you're finished and you put the top coat on over the top, you can't tell that any glue has been placed onto the nail. So I'm just going to do that for all 8 of the nails. Now I'm not using the gold charms here because I don't want there to be gold on this nail. But here I have some silver moons. Just to add like a little bit of sparkle, but these colourful little rocks I think are super cute, and we're going to pick up like some smaller ones and place them on because I think they would look kind of cool as like miniature planets. And I'm obviously not going to be absolutely covering the entire nail in these. I'm just putting a couple on, and then we will be going in with some more like sequiny ones. That'll be a bit more eye-catching. And here are the finished nails. I will bring them up closer so you can have a look and see the cat eye effects that I've got on the nails. Now, as you've just seen me do, this is all completely painted by hand, and no two nails are the same. I try to make like the moons and the planets different sizes, different shapes with the cat eyes, and yeah, I just think they look really, really good. You know, everyone is different, but they're all matching. You can tell that it's part of a set. And I have to say that this nail is my least favourite. That moon could be a bit better. And this nail here, this thumb, is my favourite. And yeah, so this took me a total of an hour and a half to do just this one set. I really, really like it. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. And yeah, I hope my friend really, really likes them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in another video, guys. Bye!